Welcome back, students. How are you all? I hope you are healthy and fine. Well, I am sure you all must be getting bored at home this time. Since there are no holidays, what to do? Don't worry, children. Today we will take you on a virtual tour. Yes, we will all enjoy touring during this pandemic time. Do you have any idea where we will go? Take a guess. Well, I will tell you. Today we are going for a nature tour. Yes, we will take a tour of Amazon Rainforest. You will explore different varieties of plants and animal species here. So children, without any further delay, let's start with our tour. I hope you will enjoy.